Hey there everyone, Chef Annie here, back with another weekly menu feature. Today we're going to be cooking up the Texas Roadhouse Burger. This recipe made its debut last fall for National School Lunch Week and is back to stay this year by popular demand. So let's wash our hands and get cooking. In your weekly curbside meal bag, you should have received the following container. This container has 1 hamburger bun, 1 package of barbecue sauce, 1 container of onion strings, 1 beef pre-cooked, ready to heat in the oven patty, and 1 slice of American cheese. So first things first, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Next, you're going to want to get out a cooking sheet and place either a piece of parchment or spray it down with some nonstick spray. Then we're going to take our beef pre-cooked hamburger patty that's ready to go in the oven for reheating onto our pan and bake in the oven at 375 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. All right, now that our burger is fresh out of the oven, hot and ready to go, we're ready to build our burger. And there you have it, a Texas-sized burger for a Texas-sized appetite. Check back weekly for more recipe features to fuel up your body and fill up your mind. Need more info on our curbside meal pickups? Head to the link below. Happy cooking!